Hello guys, my name is Andrei. I will show you how to use import full collections. First of all, you should understand why we should clean our files, our libraries before start. Okay, it's important to understand what is orphan data. Okay, orphan data is a kind of entity that is write to a file, but it's not there. For example, you use the factory settings here and go to orphan data here in display mode. You click in display mode, you see images and brushes that in reality it is not there. So we should every time in every project, every modeling, every work, we should clear all orphan data. Okay, so you select and delete with right click, and we have clean scenes. Okay, why I'm showing it? Because when you import full collection, the script, it creates new collections from orphan data too. So you should have no orphan data to avoid the creation of bad collections. Okay, collections that has no object. I'm gonna install full collections. Okay, import merge collections is the same. Okay, here when you activate the add-on, category merge appears here at right. In view 3D UI you see a label merge. You click this label, you see import collections and plus label, and the button import full collections. Let's import full collections to see. Before I import a full collection, I select the scene collection in import full collection. Okay, let's import Lake Purged. Okay, here is my collection with my geometry nodes. Okay, here. Okay, when the script merge the collections, it creates a super collection called merged scene collection 01. Okay, for now I want to rename it. I will merge another collection to see what happens. Lake orphan data. Okay, we have orphan data in this file, and I'm gonna import. Because my merged scene collection was selected, it created a merged scene collection inside. Then I bring this merged collection to the scene collection. Here, so you have new merged scene collection that has orphan data, and the first without orphan data, totally organized. So first I need to show you that in the second imported collection, it created orphan data. It takes the orphan data and attributed a name for each one and created a collection. You can see that there is some collections, empty collections with no objects, with the names here. Okay, it's bad. it's trash. Okay, it's not interesting work with this workflow. So you should clean all your files of your libraries before work with import full collections. So I'm gonna show, just to finish here, that our geometry nodes, even with this trash, our geometry nodes is here inside. Okay, before I forget to reduce the number, but you see our our collection. Okay, so we have two collections here: a bad collection because created this kind of trash, derived it from orphan data, and the good collection, organized. So let's delete all this, and you see that it's very easy to organize the scene. I have my merged, okay, here, and you can continue importing your full collections. Okay, that's it. Have a nice day and a nice week. Best for you. Bye bye.